Welcome to my channel. How to set up a Starlink router as a Wi-Fi mesh node. Before you start, connect your Gen 3 or Gen 2 router. Before starting the setup process, it's essential to have your Gen 3 Starlink router, sometimes called the Starlink Wi-Fi 6 router, fully set up and connected to the internet. To make the process smoother, take a moment to identify areas in your home where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. This will help you place your mesh node strategically where it is needed most. Step 1. Find the perfect spot. Finding a good position for the mesh node will help create a seamless link between your network devices, giving you expanded, reliable coverage throughout your home. Step 2. Power up your new mesh node. We'll assume here that you are repurposing a Gen 2 router as a node. Start by plugging your Gen 2 router into a nearby power outlet. Make sure the outlet is easily accessible and provides a stable power supply to keep your mesh node running smoothly. Step 3. Connect to your network with the Starlink app. Open the Starlink app on your phone. The app will automatically guide you through the steps to pair your new mesh node, offering real-time updates to ensure everything goes smoothly. Keep your device handy. You'll use the app to complete the setup in just a few taps. Step 4. Pair your router and mesh node. In the Starlink app, open the network menu, then select nodes to see the routers and mesh units currently on your network. From there, select Add Mesh Node to detect the new unit, and tap Pair once the Gen 2 router shows up as a new mesh node. Step 5. Check your work. Once you've finished the pairing process, you can confirm that the expanded network is good to go by navigating back to the main menu of the app, where you'll see the graphic of the dish, the router, and now the mesh node. You should now have stronger Wi-Fi signal where you used to have dead zones, and coverage beyond the old limits of your Wi-Fi range. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.